Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that you are well. Today, I am going to take third class on Chapter 1, Basic Concept of Business Organization and Management, first paper. Lecture is for English version students, and today's topics are trade as a scope of business, types of trade, and assistance to trade. Dear students, and need need to take 6 classes to complete this chapter 1 basic concept of business, and topics of today's class lecture 3 trade as a scope of business and types of trade assistance to trade. Okay, students, already you have know about the branches of modern business. That means there are 3 branches: industry, commerce, and direct service. Already you have learned about industry details in lecture 2. You will learn about details about commerce today. Commerce means, what is commerce? Commerce means trade. Purchase and sales will be done in commerce, right? And not only purchase and sales. To purchase and sell, there you will have to face some problems, and these problems to remove it will be needed to remove the problems of purchase and sales. That means commerce will do functions to remove the barriers, or constraints. Okay, so what the functions will be done? Before that, uh, we will learn about the types of trade. Okay, what is trade or exchange of goods? Trade means exchange of goods, or that means sales and purchase. Through sales and purchase, ownership utility will be created. That means whenever a person will sell a good to other person, the other person will be owner of that products, and the seller person will will not will have to mm, sell. Okay, on the basis of different types of characteristics, there are two types of trade. The trade, number one, domestic trade; number two, foreign trade. What is domestic trade? When purchase and sales functions will be done in the area of a country, then it is called domestic trades. Think about, if you buy any products or goods from Lalmonirhat and if you bring these products in Dhaka, then it is called domestic trade. Or you can sell products from Dhaka to Lalmonirhat, then it is called domestic trade. There are two types of domestic trade: wholesale and retail. Wholesale is larger type business than retail, because to do wholesale business, a lot of capital, a lot of persons will be involved in wholesale activities. What is wholesale? When a business will purchase a lot of goods from producer to sell to the retailer, then it is called wholesale. Okay, that means um, there two parties will be connected through wholesale. Number one, no, producer and retailer. Okay, just normally a wholesaler doesn't sell their products to the ultimate consumers on the basis of their demand, little demand, but retailer sells their products to the customers as per their demand, little demand. Okay, so this is called wholesale type trade, wholesale trade. Then come to the retail business, the business which will purchase a lot of goods from wholesale or producer to sell the ultimate consumers on the basis of their little demand, as per their demand, then it is called retail. That means retailer sells their products to the ultimate consumers, but wholesaler doesn't sell their products to the ultimate consumers, but wholesale sell their products to the retailer. Okay, then think about foreign trade. When uh, two or more than two countries do their business functions, purchase and sales, then this type of uh, business functions will be treated as foreign trade. Suppose, think about Bangladesh purchased a lot of onion from India purchased a lot of um, rice from India, then it will be treated as foreign trade. Foreign trade. Okay. So there are three types of foreign trade. Number one, import. Number two, export. Number three, re-export. What is import? Import means purchasing or buying goods from other countries, right? This is called importing, right? If you when a country purchase goods and other things from other countries, then it is called import. Think about motorcycle of India, Hero motorcycle of India. If Bangladesh, any company of Bangladesh or Bangladesh authority of uh, any authority of Bangladesh uh, purchase uh, purchase motorcycle like Honda and food foods and other electronic devices from India or other countries, then it is called import. It is called import. Why we will purchase these types of goods from other countries? Because maybe these types of goods are produced in our country, but not enough for the demand of our country. So to meet up the deficit of the customers' demand, we need to import the goods from other countries. What is export? Export, when a country produce goods and surplus to after fulfilling the demand of the country's people, if the uh, person or institution or business organization sells their products to the other countries, then it will be treated as export. Think about porn, or garments or tea industries or potato or rice. We sell these types of goods to the other countries, right? So these types of business will be treated as export. When exporting these types of goods, we earn a lot of foreign currencies, and unemployment problem will be reduced in our country, and our dignity of our country will be high. So exporting is more export, more earning. Okay, we will earn more foreign currency. Then what is re-export? When when a country purchase or import goods from other countries, and uh, changing or little changing or not changing these types of products, if the country or organization sells these products to the other third countries, then it is called re-export. Okay. Think about the Hero motorcycle of India. If our countries, any organization import these types of goods from India and sell these goods to India to the Pakistan or Sri Lanka, Maldives, then it would be treated as re-export. Okay, re-export. So doing this type of business, the business organization will earn a lot of money. Understand? So hope that you have understood these types of trade trade. Okay. Whenever you will do these types of functions, you will face some problems. These problems are called barriers. Okay. So these barriers will be removed through some functions and some uh, taking helps from other institutions. These types of barriers will be removed. Think about financial problem. To establish and to run the business need a lot of capital, but if you do not have enough money to establish and run the business, then you may take loan from bank will give loan, and your financial problem will be removed. So bank will remove the financial barriers and will create financial benefit. Understand? Then think about risk. Insurance um, insurance will take a risk of your business. Then you can do your business functions freely. Okay. when we can see that many men do not show their interest to do business functions because there is a chance to financial loss, that which is called risk. Insurance will take these types of risk of your business by uh, a little amount of premium. Okay, that means insurance will take your business risk and he will do your business function easily. So insurance will uh, remove the business risk and risk benefit will be created. Then transportation industry produce goods in a center, but customers are staying in a remote area or other countries, so it needs to transport the goods from one place to another place. Transportation, through this transportation, these types of constraints will be removed. That means transportation will create placement utility. Then sometimes we need to store goods to supply the products to as per the demand of the countries in different times. So times constraints will be removed through warehousing, and time utility will be created through warehousing. Then making marketing promotion. Okay, that means we are talking about advertisement. Customers do not know about the your products, so your responsibility to inform um, inform the information to the customers about your product. When the customers will know about your product, then customers will show their interest to buy the products. Understand? So customers wants to know information about your products, and mark advertisement will remove the informational barriers. That means information utility will be created through advertisement. Then communication, it exchanges of information or ideas between multiple persons or parties. You know, there are buyers, there are sellers, there are customers, there are workers, there are money lenders, there are some brokers. So there are different types of producers, there are different types of stakeholders, and uh, to fulfill the demand of your business, need to contact with the different with the stakeholders. Okay, so communicating or contacting with these stakeholders, the information will be exchanged about your business. Understand? So through communication, informational utility will be created. Dear students, hope that you have understood our today's lecture, and do this homework. What is that means definition of business, what is trade, memorize the types of trade, explain the assistance to trade. You will practice at home, and you may show the practice sheet to the subject teacher. And if you have any question, ask me, write in the comment box. Next class will be held on um, lecture 4, and we will learn new things. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.